Hello and thank you for watching. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the C5L by Viridian. Now this is unique. This is a pistol light and laser and it's rechargeable. So rather than having to throw batteries away and replace them once a year or every 2 years or whatever your schedule is, this one is rechargeable. And I plan to put it on my AREX 2 Delta from Global Ordnance and see how well it does. Now before I did that, I did want to go through some of the details here, and I did want to do an unboxing because Viridian does a very nice job in their packaging here. So just to give you a little bit of information here, it's a green, looks like green laser with a rechargeable, with internal rechargeable and magnetic charging port. Now it has a universal mount. I'm pretty sure that's a Picatinny. The light is 650 lumens, and it is instant on and activated with ambidextrous buttons. So anything else? Charge time is only 90 minutes. Waterproof. High, medium, and low. Oh, and it has a strobe setting. I love lights with a strobe setting. I don't see anybody who does light reviews, or very few, that mention the strobe setting, but that's one setting that I look for in every light I own. When I worked at Blackhawk, they had a law enforcement light with a strobe setting, and it was so dang bright you hardly, it would disorient you as soon as you looked at it. We had a lot of fun in the shop messing around, blinding each other, but regardless, strobe is a great function for de-escalation, and that is one of the primary reasons I look for it in my light options. Oh, looks like there's some more quick stats on that side right there. Take a quick look at that. Don't shine the laser in your eye. Ooh, and there's the battery pack. So we're gonna do a quick open here, and right on top there is your SAFECharge rechargeable power source. So this is really nice. When I had looked at this online, I had thought that the USB charging would have to be done at home, just like your cell phone, plug it into a wall outlet. This battery pack is an awesome option here, because then you don't even need to leave your vehicle, or you can, yeah, it just gives you so much more versatility. You got your, of course, Viridian lens cloth here. You've got your stickers and your business cards, warranty information, all the fun stuff that comes with it. And then it looks like we have the little light and laser down there. So in the middle, let's see if I can get that out here a minute. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's your wrenches. Looks like wrenches for installation. Then, of course, you have your USB charging cord right here with the magnetic end. And that magnetic end looks like it plugs into right there on your light. Let's see if I can get this out here. There you go. And there is the Viridian C5L. It's a nice looking light. What I like about this, and part of the reason I chose to mount it on my AREX, is due to the fact that the rail is slightly shorter. Now, as you can see, this platform is pretty short, so it should work well. Actually, I'd take a look. I wonder if I can mount it on my H&K USP Compact, because that's another difficult platform for mounting lights and lasers to, because it's so short. Looks like your standard rail up there. I'm kind of curious to see how that works. Everything else. Now, I didn't see any batteries. And it doesn't look like it's... Oh, there we go. Hey. So we do have the light working. Huh, I wonder how you do the different modes. Cool. So I'll have to give a charge here, read through the manual, and see what I need to do to activate the laser. Oh, there's the laser. You probably can't see it with the light. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Now you can see the laser. The light was so bright it was overpowering my camera. So there you go. The Viridian rechargeable light and laser combination C5L. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day.